Celebrating a renovation. We're supposed to be excited. I know we're still a little sad about Sunday, but good thing is we're playing Dallas this Sunday, so we know we're gonna win. Let's try it again. Good afternoon, everybody. All right, thank you, Paul, Ezra, and to the entire public markets team. As you can see, I am joined by our city comptroller, Bill Henry, and Councilman John Bullock, who represents this area. I know that my predecessors in the crowd wave, Mr. Mayor, Mayor Jack Young is here today. And it's good to be here to cut this ribbon after a year of renovations and with new added stalls. I'm also happy that the world knows that the secret that Baltimore has the best food is right here in Baltimore City and right here at across from Hollins Market. We want to thank Keith Lee again for helping us show once again that if you want the food to taste good and look good, not just look good, you come to Baltimore and not DC. We'll just remind them of that. To our DC brothers and sisters, we have mambo sauce, so you can put it on your better food in Baltimore right here. Today, we are not just reopening a market. We are reaffirming our commitment to the people of West and Southwest Baltimore. Hollins Market is much more than a building. It's an institution and a vital part of our city's history and culture. Since 1836, and the only original market building still standing, Hollins Market has stood as a beacon of community. And today, after phase 2, a $2.1 million renovation, it stands ready to serve again better than ever. Through this renovation, we restored a building, took a big step forward in restoring trust in our neighborhoods, and trust in the power of community to shape its own future. Baltimore Public Market spent 2 years working with community stakeholders to make sure that this market is built by and for the people. And what you see here today reflects your needs, your hopes, and your resilience. We all know that Hollins Market sits in an area that has long been designated a food desert, a healthy food priority area, and for too long, access to fresh, healthy food has been a privilege in our city of 9 right. Today, that changes. Hollins Market will be a one-stop shop for families who deserve nothing less than access to healthy, affordable food. And I'm proud to say that 5 of these stalls are SNAP eligible, ensuring that everyone, regardless of income, can get what they need right there. This isn't about food, even though it's lunchtime and I'm hungry. This is also about opportunity. Hollins Market will feature a pop-up stall supported by the West Baltimore Renaissance Foundation, giving entrepreneurs of color a chance to test their ideas, grow their businesses, and move toward brick and mortar ownership. This is what we talk about when we talk about equitable economic development and what it looks like. While we're helping the vendors in Hollins Market today, we're also building the foundation for tomorrow's entrepreneurs, the dreamers who will shape the future of West Baltimore, and showing them that there is still a place and a need for markets like this one. Hollins Market is a testament to what happens when we invest in our neighborhoods, and that doesn't just mean the buildings, but the people who live here, who work here, who dream here. So as we celebrate today, know that we are celebrating just the beginning. Hollins Market will be a place where families can gather, entrepreneurs can grow, and our community can thrive for generations to come. And I look forward to phase 3 of renovations here at Hollins Market, and to making much more progress at the Avenue Market, Ms. Wanda, very, very soon, because Baltimore's Renaissance isn't coming, it's right now. Thank you very much. And with that, I'm quickly going to turn it over to the comptroller and the councilman for remarks. Gentlemen.